Hey guys, Snail with JHart Modelworks coming to you with another unboxing for another project hitting the bench. So, last year, Mitchel from Insomnia Hobbies was going through quite a bit in his life, and as of January, Mitchel is no longer with us. I really liked Mitchel. He was a great guy. He was a really good builder, and I'm very sad that he is no longer with us. He was a very big Mopar fan, so in his memory, I'm going to go ahead and build the Revell 1969 Dodge Super Bee. I've definitely got some plans for this kit. I've already got a color picked out. I think it's going to look really cool. I've already got kind of some plans on a few modifications we're going to do to it. So let's go ahead and get the camera flipped around and take a look at what is inside the box. Alright guys, so I'm going to open the box, see what we got in here. Got a bag with the body, a bag of clear parts, all of our white sprues, we have a chrome sprue, got some tires, instructions and decals. Start with our instructions here. Got your color callouts. I have a couple of pages of all the parts. This is something Revell does that I really like. They list all the part numbers and what they are. Every now and then I run into a part and I'm like, what the heck is this thing? And the instructions themselves are all pretty clear, pretty typical modern Revell instructions. They are the book type. I like the book type a lot better than the big fold out, like giant road map type. Alright, decals. These are pretty nice. Lots of under the hood stuff. Gauges are okay. I will probably pick some up. Got some door locks in there. That's kind of nice if you like them. Got your 4 hood pins. Very cool. Got your trunk stripes with your Super Bees. Got your hockey sticks. Very cool. Various custom bees for your custom Super Bees. Some plates and some tires. I never have really good luck with the tire decals. And some reflectors, which, yeah, those don't look really good in my opinion. I'll probably just use some Tamiya clear over silver. Not bad. Tires themselves look pretty decent. Solid vinyl tire. Definitely have a seam you'll need to take care of. We've got our body. That is one big old body. All in all, it looks pretty clean. Definitely has some clear mold seams. Panel lines are okay, a little shallow. You'll definitely want to rescribe them, clean them up. Molded in battery. And the washer reservoir. Not a huge fan of this molded in stuff, but it is what it is.
Some pretty typical ejector pins. You're going to want to clean those up. Nice locating points for your glass. So your glass should sit pretty good. Speaking of the glass, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. And Revell strikes again with the headlight lenses in the center of the roof. We will probably do another custom headliner to cover that up. Glass itself looks really good. Nice and clear. Let's go and get that back in that bag. Keep that in as nice a condition as we can. Got a chrome screw. Let's look at it from this side. Got a couple of different wheel sets in here. A couple of different carburetors, it looks like. Air cleaner. That should be orange, not chrome. A little sad about that. Is that a triple carbs? How many carburetors do we have in this kit? Your old-fashioned Steelies. Bumpers, taillights, headlights. Some kind of a crazy blower. Not sure what these are. Find out when we build it. Very cool. It's like a hood, pulleys and whatnot. Another hood. Engine block, heads. Interior. Nice. We'll see what we can do with that. Our chassis, radiator, seats, wheel backs. Pretty nice detail on the chassis. Looks like some brake lines. Back panel. Some suspension, exhaust, drive shaft. All really nice. There's our dashboard. What's that look like on the... Oh, that's nice and flat back there. We can probably get away with drilling these gauges out. And just drop a nice set of gauges right back in behind there. Alright guys, so that's a look inside the box. I'm going to go ahead and get started on prepping this. And in a week or so, we should have our first update on this and the Pops build. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate you watching the videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.